Hello beautiful! Today I'll show you how to create this pumpkin inspired makeup look. Enjoy! And the first thing you want to do is to outline the cuts. Use a nude pencil to do so. Next, let's cover the eyebrows. We need this step in order to save the hair since we will be applying liquid latex later on. As you might know, liquid latex is really bad for anything hair related. Speaking of latex, use a generous amount of the product to outline the cuts of the pumpkin once again. Liquid latex will serve us as the fake skin, which we will peel off later on. Now wait for a few minutes for the product to dry. Dried latex looks really shiny, so I apply transparent powder on top to eliminate the shine. I also peel out the edges of the cuts to make them look 3D. Now I'm going to even out the color of my skin by applying the light shade of foundation. Although this is a completely wrong color for me, I use it in order to appear very pale. Let's fill in the cuts with the orange green color. I chose orange as I want to create the effect of the pumpkin. I cannot imagine Halloween without the blood, so I will dab some fake blood on top of the orange parts. An important step is also to add the dried blood to the edges of the cuts. For convenience, I suggest using bended fine brush. Finally, apply some blood tears and you're done. And that's it. Here's the final look. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please support me by subscribing and liking this video. I wish you happy Halloween. Thanks, and I'll see you soon. Bye.